नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू पीपीटी न्यूज चैनल. दिस इज योर ओन English news channel where we bring you every latest news of your local area. PPT News aim is to make your area's voice rich word. We bring to you news related to your area, administrative updates, and every small and big information of public interest in a simple and accurate manner. Our specialty is correct, unbiased, and latest information, whether it is development plans of your area, social issues, or special events of your area. PPT News is always with you. रिश्तों की गर्माहट कैंपेन फॉर द needy. Social workers extended a helping hand. खुशियों की दीवार ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से कैंपेन रिश्तों की गर्माहट कंटिन्यूअस. warm clothes distributed to the needy like every year. This time also खुशियों की दीवार ऑर्गेनाइजेशन has launched a campaign called रिश्तों की गर्माहट, which is dedicated to the protection of poor and helpless people. From called under this campaign, blankets, sweaters, and other warm clothes are being provided to the needy with the help of the society. Today, taking this campaign to new heights, famous social worker Jai Bhagwan Mastana came to खुशियों की दीवार and provide blankets, sweaters, and other useful items to the needy. He praised the work of the organizer and founder of this campaign and said this is a very commendable initiative that connects the society and brings a change in the lives of the needy. Every person should participate in it. While internally be attention and views of social workers. Joining the campaign, other social workers Mukesh Jain and Pradeep Gupta also expressed their view. They said helping the needy is not only a moral responsibility but also act that promotes empathy and humanity in the society. Mohanlal said that whatever clothes are there in our house which are not being used, we put them on the wall of happiness so that these clothes can be useful for someone in need. Main feature of the campaign, relief in cold, and efforts to protect the needy from the wrath of cold by providing blankets, sweaters, and other warm clothes. Social participation, common citizens, social workers, and other organizations participated enthusiastically in the campaign. Sources of inspiration, this campaign is also inspiring other sections of the society to help the needy. Organizers appeal to make this noble work of खुशियों की दीवार successful. An appeal has been made to all the citizens for corporation. He said every small help can fulfill the big need of needy person. Objective of the campaign to promote the spirit of a wall that connects in the society, to provide relief to the poor and helpless people suffering from platform called to encourage mutual cooperation and solidarity in the society. Connect खुशियों की दीवार to join the रिश्तों की गर्माहट campaign 9821998877. Your little help can bring warmth to someone's life in the cold season. Can be a part of this initiative and spread smiles on the faces of the needy. Eligible women should apply for Sushma Swaraj Award by December 20. Many schemes are being run by the Women and Child Development Department for the welfare of women and children. In this episode, the department has invited applications till December 20, 2024 to give Sushma Swaraj Award to women who have achieved achievements in various fields. These awards will be given on at March 2025 on the occasion of International Women's Day. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the main objective of giving the award is to recognize and women doing excellent work in various fields so that they can become role models for the future generation of Indian women. It will also go a long way in changing the mindset of the society to accept and increase the multifaceted role of women in Indian society and in their respective fields. The government will give gas cylinders to women of Antyodaya families for 500 rupees. District Program Officer Geeta Saharan said that the award includes 5 lakh in cash, a citation and a shawl. The applicant should be born in Haryana and work for the benefit of women. The nominated person should be alive at the time of nomination. Eligible women should appear in person at the office of the District Program Officer, Women and Child Development Department by 20 December 2024 and applies as per the performer distributed the department. The rules of application are available on the department's websites. Haryana Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee election nominations will be invited with the release of notification on December 18. Commissioner Gurdwara Elections Justice H.S. Bhalla has released the schedule for the first general election of all 40 wards of Haryana Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee across the state. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the general elections will be held on January 19, 2025. Notification inviting nominations will be published on Wednesday, December 18, 2024. After this, nominations will be filled from December 22 December 28, 2024. Thereafter, the nomination papers will be scrutinized on December 30. Similarly, the last date for filing an application to the Deputy Commissioner for amendment in the order of the returning officer is 31st December 2024. The decision on the amendment application will be taken by the Deputy Commissioner by 3 p.m. on 1st January 2025. The list of valid nomination papers will be published on 1st January 2025. Any candidate can withdraw the candidature till 2nd January 2025, and then election symbol will be allotted after 3 p.m. on the same day. In necessary, the elections of Haryana Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee will be held on 19 January 2025 from at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Counting of votes will be done at the booth itself immediately after the completion of voting. Informed that every candidate filling the nomination form will have to deposit a fee of 5,000 rupees with the election officer before the last date of nomination, and the election will be conducted using voting machines EVMs according to the election program. The candidates will have to fill 3 of the symbols prescribed by the Gurdwara Election Commission in order of preference from the election symbol. Only Amritdhari Sikh included in the voter list after the concerned ward will be able to contest the election. The Deputy Commissioner said that only Amritdhari Sikhs up to the age of 25 years will be able to contest the election. A person will be considered capable of reading Gurmukhi. Is he able to society Guru Granth Sahib in Gurmukhi and will be considered capable of writing Gurmukhi if he fills his nomination form for the election of the committee in his own handwriting in Gurmukhi, provided that if a question arises, candidate is capable of reading and writing Gurmukhi or not, the question will be decided in the prescribed manner. A salaried servant of the Gurdwara, a person who cuts or cleans his beard, hair, consumes alcohol or electronics and halal meat is immediately unsold, declared bankrupt, and person convicted of any crime related to moral turpitude is unable to read or write Punjabi in Gurmukhi script will not be able to contest the election. Registration is being done on the government's Har Ghar Har Grihani portal. Har Ghar Grihani scheme run by the Food and Supplies Department will prove to be effective in providing a smoke-free clean environment in the kitchen to women of Antyodaya families. Under this scheme, women of BPL families will be given LPG cylinders every month at subsidized rates of 500 rupees. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that Haryana government has started the Har Ghar Har Grihani scheme to provide gas cylinders to women of BPL families for 500 rupees per month. Women of Antyodaya families are getting registered on the official portal of the scheme. Har Grihani scheme has been launched with the aim of providing clean fuel to BPL families and improving the standard of living of women. low income householders too cannot buy LPG at food price and depend on traditional resources for cooking will especially benefit from this scheme. DFSC said that the government has already started the Ujjwala scheme to provide LPG connections in the district. Under this scheme, gas connection is available for 500 rupees. Now, families whose annual income is 1.80 lakh or less can they avail the benefits of Har Ghar Har Gृहिणी scheme in the name of female consumer. Under this scheme, LPG refill will be available every month for 500 rupees. He said that women consumers will get LPG refill every month for 500 rupees. Every problem coming in the Samadhan camp is being resolved on priority. SDM Naveen Kumar. Public and personal complaints of the people are being resolved on priority through Samadhan camp under the guidance of DC Munish Sharma. People's complaints are being resolved in the Samadhan camp held in the Secretariat Auditorium at the district headquarters and STM office in Badra subdivision on every working day from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. SDM Naveen Kumar, while listening to the problems of the citizens, directed the officials of the concerned departments to take immediate action. The SDM said that the main objective of the administration is to resolve the problems of the people in a timely manner. The SDM instructed the officials to resolve the pending problems on priority basis and inform the complaints when the solution is found. So stay tuned with us and subscribe to PPT News channel. To see every news of your area first, press the bell icon because this is your local voice global reach. Please tell us in the comment how you like our news and which news related to your area you want to see. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal.